The stadium is transforming right before our eyes, with new structures rising and finishing touches shaping every corner. From beams being installed to panels taking their place, every section is evolving fast. Let's take a closer look at the latest progress and see how the project is coming together. We begin in the Tribuna area, where a red truck has delivered several structural beams to the site, while a concrete pump and crane remain positioned nearby. Workers have also installed a structure in front of the sandwich panels where railings will later be added. In this area, the sandwich panels appear to have been installed starting from the top, which is slightly different from other parts of the project. A lifting platform can also be seen working behind one of the large beams while finishing work continues around the glass panels and metal brackets. In the south goal area, a crane is carefully positioning a structural piece very close to the hollow core slabs in a large black beam. A lifting platform is assisting with the placement to ensure everything is aligned correctly. The prefabricated seating structure in the nearby corner is also progressing quickly, with supports already installed and work advancing at a steady pace. If progress continues like this section of the stadium could potentially be completed sometime during March. One of the biggest developments today can be seen in the false ceiling area, where the installation of the slats has progressed rapidly. Just yesterday, only the first slat had been installed, but today workers have already placed around 16 slats in a single day, showing how quickly progress can happen when conditions allow. Earlier delays were mainly caused by strong winds and weather conditions, but now the pace has clearly increased. Several lifting platforms are still active in the area, suggesting that more slats may continue to be installed. In the lateral section of the stadium, new components for the compression ring structure have arrived. 2 additional pillars have been delivered to the corner area, bringing the visible total to 4 pillars ready for installation. Alongside these pillars, several large structural reinforcement pieces can also be seen nearby, indicating that preparation work for the compression ring is steadily moving forward. Looking at the lateral area from a wider perspective, we can see cranes operating and several structural elements already positioned around the site. However, no new pillars have been lifted into place yet in this specific area. Sometimes pieces are temporarily lifted and then lowered again for adjustments, so it's possible that more installations will happen soon. For now, activity here appears focused on preparation for future structural work. At the north goal corner, workers are currently installing cables on previously installed anchor points. These cables are usually placed shortly before the installation of the ceiling slats, which suggests that this area may soon see similar progress as the south goal section. The preparation work here indicates that construction could accelerate soon if everything continues on schedule. Inside the north goal section, workers are preparing the area for the upcoming reopening. Some crews are installing vinyl coverings and completing finishing touches to make sure everything is ready for the next match against Sevilla. Additional work is also taking place along the first overhang level, where connection points are being installed for future railing systems along the front edge of the structure. In the final corner of the stadium, several support structures for the ceiling slats have been installed over the past few days. Workers have already placed multiple connection points on the black beams where additional supports will later be attached. Construction materials are also stored nearby within the restricted work zone, but they will not affect fan access since spectators will enter through Gate 7, keeping the pathways clear for matchday operations. With the official approval for the north goal opening, Camp Nou will soon welcome more than 60,000 fans, marking another important step in the stadium's phased reopening. Construction continues across several areas, with steady progress visible as the stadium slowly takes shape. If you enjoyed today's update, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Camp Nou construction updates. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.